Now, during the previous lecture, we discussed about the Dalton's atomic theory. Okay. Now, today we want to discuss atomic mass, then average atomic mass, molecular mass, and formula mass. Okay. So, first we discuss about the atomic mass. Okay. Actually, atomic mass means the mass of the atom. Mass of an atom is simply called as the atomic mass. But if we want to measure the mass of the one atom, then it is highly impossible to measure the atomic mass of one atom because the atom has very small size. Due to very small size of the atom, it is highly impossible to measure the atomic mass of the one atom. So this atomic mass of the one atom is compared with the 1/12 of mass of one carbon 12 isotope. One carbon 12 isotope. Okay. Now see here, ॲटमचा जो साईज आहे तो साईज अतिशय लहान असल्यामुळं एका ॲटमचं आपण मास मोजू शकत नाही. म्हणून एका ॲटमचं ॲटॉमिक मास डिटरमाइन करण्यासाठी 1/12 मास ऑफ one carbon 12 atom is compared with this. Okay, here carbon has, you know that, several isotopes like C612, then carbon 613 and carbon 614. These are the different isotopes of the carbon. So what is meaning of isotopes? Isotopes means the atoms of the same element which have same atomic number but different mass number are called as the isotopes. Okay? एकाच एलिमेंटचे जर वेगवेगळे ॲटम्स असतील की ज्यांचा अनुक्रमांक सारखाच असेल, फक्त त्यांचा जर अणुभार जर वेगवेगळा असेल, म्हणजेच त्यांचा मास नंबर जर वेगळा असेल, तर त्यांना आपण आयसोटोप्स असं म्हणतो. निसर्गामध्ये कार्बनचे जे आढळणारे हे 3 आयसोटोपिक फॉर्म्स आहेत, त्यांना C12, C13 आणि C14 कार्बन असं म्हटलं जातं. त्यातील C12 कार्बन म्हणजे ज्याचं वस्तुमान 12 आहे, ज्याचा मास नंबर 12 आहे, अशा कार्बनचं 1/12 मास एवढं घेऊन एका मासची त्याच्याशी काय केलेली आहे, कंपॅरिझन केलेली आहे किंवा ते डिटरमाइन केलेलं आहे. ओके, सो this mass is determined with the 1/12 mass of one carbon 12. Okay, and it is expressed in unified mass unit, or right, AMU unit. AMU unit, that is called as atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. Okay, so one atomic mass unit, one AMU unit is defined as the mass of exactly, it is one AMU unit is defined as the mass of exactly equal to the mass which is exactly equal to 1/12 the mass of C12 कार्बन आयसोटोप. वन ॲटॉमिक मास युनिट म्हणजे काय की जे मास 1/12 मास ऑफ कार्बन 12 आयसोटोप एवढं त्याच्याशी इक्वल असतं त्याला 1 AMU युनिट असं म्हणायचं, ॲटॉमिक मास युनिट असं म्हणायचं. Okay, so this atomic mass unit experimentally also we have calculated as 1 atomic mass unit 1 AMU is equal to 1/12 into the mass of 1 carbon 12, that is mass of 1 carbon 12 isotope, right here above or here, no problem. Okay, so experimentally this mass of 1 carbon 12 is found to be is a 1/12 into mass of the 1 carbon atom is found to be 1.9926 into 10 raised to 23 gram. Okay, if we measure the mass of the one carbon atom which has the mass number 12, then this mass is experimentally found to be 1.9926 into 10 raised to 20 gram. Okay, if we divide this figure by 12, then we get answer 1.66 near about this figure, 1 point or 0.166056 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram. Okay, if we divide this figure by 12, then we get this figure, or if we convert this figure, then also we get 1.66 not 56 into 10 raised to 24 gram. Okay, and here value of 1 AMU you obtain as a like that value. Okay, nowadays this 1 AMU unit is replaced by only U. This unit is only replaced by U, called as unified mass, or also it is expressed as a DA or called as Dalton. डाल्टन या युनिटमध्ये किंवा यू या युनिटमध्ये ॲटॉमिक मास युनिटची व्हॅल्यू जे असतात त्या जनरली एक्सप्रेस केलेल्या असतात. या ठिकाणी यू म्हणजे युनिफाईड मास, ह्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवा, यू म्हणजे युनिफाईड मास. ओके, सो ॲज ॲटम इज व्हेरी व्हेरी स्मॉल, सो वी कॅनॉट मेजर द मास ऑफ वन ॲटम. That's why it is compared to the 1/12 of the mass of one carbon atom which has the mass number 12. It is shortly written as a carbon 12 isotope. Okay, and this value of this one atom we calculated as a in unified atomic mass unit as a like that. Okay, now see average atomic mass. Then second point we discuss about the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. Second point we discuss average atomic mass. Okay, average atomic mass. This average atomic mass is calculated for the isotopic elements. isotopic elements. Okay, that is many elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, chlorine, many elements are occurs in the nature in their isotopic form. Again, you know that the definition of isotope, the atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but different mass number are called as the isotopes. Okay, already we discussed that is the carbon has three isotopes, that is C12, C13 and C14 isotopes. Okay, so average atomic mass is calculated or determined for the isotopic elements. Okay, so this average atomic mass is simply defined as it is the average of, see definition of the average atomic mass, it is the average, it is the average of the sum of all atomic masses, sum of all atomic masses, it is the average of sum of all atomic masses of the isotopic elements, of the isotopic elements with their percentage occurrence, with their percentage occurrence. बघा, average atomic mass, it is the average of sum of म्हणजे बेरीज, sum of all atomic masses of isotopic elements with their percentage occurrence, with their percentage abundance or say occurrence. निसर्गामध्ये एखाद्या मूलद्रव्याचे जेवढे ॲटम्स जेवढ्या पर्सेंटेज मध्ये सापडतात त्या पर्सेंटेज आणि त्यांचा मास नंबर जो असेल यांचे सर्वांची एकत्रित बेरीज करून जे मास आपल्याला मिळतं ते मास ॲव्हरेज ॲटॉमिक मास असतं. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सी वी नो दॅट क्लोरीन हॅज ॲटॉमिक मास 35.5 U means ununified mass. क्लोरीनचं ॲटॉमिक मास किती असतं? 35.5 युनिफाईड मास एवढं क्लोरीनचं असतं ॲटॉमिक मास आहे, ॲव्हरेज ॲटॉमिक मास. आता हे क्लोरीनचं ॲव्हरेज ॲटॉमिक मास कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं, तर त्यासाठी फॉर्म्युला दिलेला आहे डेफिनेशननुसार. यू नो दॅट क्लोरीन इज एक्झिस्ट इन द two isotopic forms, which has chlorine has atomic number 17 and one isotope present in the occurrence, that is 35. It has the mass number, it is present about 75%, and second isotope of the chlorine is called as chlorine 37, which is present about 25%, which is present about the 25%. Okay, then by using these data we can calculate the average atomic mass of the chlorine as a average atomic mass of chlorine, average atomic mass of chlorine is equal to, how you can write the formula, average atomic mass is equal to atomic mass of chlorine 35 isotope into its percentage composition, its percentage occurrence or percentage composition plus second isotope, that is atomic mass of the chlorine 37 into its occurrence occurrence. Okay, that is, we can get as a these figures. Atomic mass of the chlorine is equal to atomic mass of Cl35 is 35, that is chlorine 35 mass number, into percentage occurrence. This type of chlorine 35 isotope obtain 75 percentage plus atomic mass of the Cl13 is the right in bracket 37 into this isotope chlorine 37 isotope obtained in nature as a 25 percentage. We have to calculate the average atomic mass, so divide by 100. Okay, percentage. If you multiply this 35 into 75, then you get figure 2625 plus, if we multiply 37 into 25, then we get figure 900. You get this figure 925. Okay, 35. Okay, 925 upon 100. Okay, if we add the above figure, then we get 3550 upon 100, and only if you divide this, then we get 35.50, or only write 5 unified mass unit. So in such a way, we can calculate the average atomic mass of the several isotopic type of the elements. Okay, कोणत्याही आयसोटोपिक एलिमेंट्स ॲटॉमिक मास, ॲव्हरेज ॲटॉमिक मास कॅल्क्युलेट करत असताना काय करायचं, त्या आयसोटोपचा, त्या एलिमेंटच्या आयसोटोपचा मास नंबर गुणिले तो निसर्गामध्ये किती टक्के आढळतो, किती टक्के प्रमाणामध्ये आढळतो यांचा गुणाकार, जेवढे आयसोटोपिक एलिमेंट्स असतील तर त्यांची समेशन या पद्धतीने करायची. तुम्हाला मी फॉर एक्झाम्पल क्लोरीनचं 35.5 युनिफाईड मास, ॲव्हरेज ॲटॉमिक मास कशा पद्धतीनं आलेला आहे हे मी तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी काढून दाखवलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे, त्यानंतर पुढचा डेफिनेशन आहे, पॉइंट आहे मोलेक्युलर मास. थर्ड पॉइंट इज द molecular mass. Here it is the mass of one molecule. Molecular mass means mass of one molecule. Okay, molecular mass simply we can define as it is the mass of one molecule of that substance, one molecule of that substance. Again, this mass is the compared with the or relative to the mass of, again it is compared to the mass of the one carbon 12 isotope, one carbon 12 isotope. This is called as the molecular mass. How it is defined as? It is defined as it is the mass of one molecule of that substance relative or compared to the mass of one atom of the carbon 12 isotope. Okay, for example, we have to calculate, suppose, molecular mass of the CO2 gas. We have to calculate the molecular mass of the CO2 gas. And how we will calculate? Molecular mass of CO2 is equal to molecular mass of CO2 is equal to, here only one carbon atom is there, so take 1 into average atomic mass of carbon, plus there are two oxygen atoms, so take 2 into average atomic mass of one oxygen atom, average atomic mass of the oxygen. So average atomic mass of the one carbon atom is the 12, so write 1 into 12, plus there are two oxygen atoms, 2 into average atomic mass of the oxygen is the 16. Okay, so if you solve this, 12 into 1, 12, plus 16 into 2, 32, and if you take the summation of this figure, then we get 44 gram, or write unified mass, 44 gram or 44 unified mass. Okay, so molecular formula mass or molecular mass is the mass of one molecule of that substance relative to the mass of one C12 carbon isotopes. We can calculate the molecular mass of the CO2 in the same way. Then formula mass. Next point is the formula mass. Generally, this formula mass is given for the ionic compounds. Okay, the term formula mass is generally used for the ionic compounds. Again, it is the sum of atomic mass or atoms atomic masses of all elements, atomic masses of the atoms present in that formula. Sum of atomic masses of the all atoms present in formula is called as the formula mass. For example, consider one ionic compound, say sodium chloride, NaCl. Then how will you calculate the formula mass of the sodium chloride? Formula mass of NaCl is equal to, only one atom is there, so write 1 into average or atomic mass of sodium. Take average atomic or only one atomic mass of the sodium, plus chlorine, only one atom is there, 1 into average atomic mass of one chlorine atom. Okay, so write 1 into average atomic mass of the sodium is found to be 23, plus 1 into only one chlorine atom is here, average atomic mass of the one chlorine is found to be 35.5. Okay, So if we solve this, then get 23 plus 35.5. If you add this figure, then we get 5, 3, 3, 2, 5, 8.5 unified mass. Okay. So formula mass of the sodium chloride, which is the ionic compound, is simply calculated as like that. Okay. Now here we stop. Okay. We discussed today atomic mass, average atomic mass, molecular mass, and formula mass. Okay. We stop here.